Ebenezer Empisga Agency Upper Republic Branch chuan Ministry of External Affairs Government of India noya Singapore le Hong Konga domestic helper na thoktur mechia ala tharle don ta he na dil tu te chu kumsum ni le pathum tling to India khwale tuidik tak anni turani a documents fill file le kumdik taka Indian passport siam sak anni nadil tu te tan hostel nuam taka training buat sai ani a English le practical class te uluk taka ne puichin ani bok an na thona tur ram an thlen nuwa an himdan tur le an culture te shilshiat vek ani bok tin namuthar te tan agency hian Ministry of External Affairs dan ang thlapin insurance ati sakvek boka thakhata an hlo hi cheng singli sang thungma changa cheng sing ruk in karani mek an na thona mun an thlen nuwa po agency hian avil zui reng thin ilaina naile thian chate himzo ka na an tho theinan agency rintlak le him India sarkarin ashiat pui ngeite Ministry of External Affairs Government of India noya recruiting agency license nei nge ya hian registration rontivero le Ebenezer Empisga Agency under Ministry of External Affairs Government of India Upper Republic Branch LZ Silo Colony near Presbyterian Church call in WhatsApp 8794291522 764280958 3